everyone, it's Coach Fred, and today I'm going to be going over the April 2018 SAT QAT, so the release test from April 2018, question number 13, Math Non-Calculator. All right, so it gave us two equations, and it says which of the following could be the x-coordinate of a solution to the system of equations above. Okay, so I'm going to think about this because it's question number 13, and I really want to know what kind of equations I'm looking at here. So hopefully you're recognizing that this is the equation of a circle, and then this is the equation of a line. So because it's a solution to the system, it's looking for the point of intersection of the circle and the line. All right, so it is non-calculator. I look carefully at the answers, and if the answers were whole numbers, then I might decide I'm just going to plug the answers in and see which one made both equations true. But these all have radicals in them. So that's telling me I'm probably going to have to do some algebra here. Now, if I graph this, I know that my center of my circle is -2, 3, and I know my radius is root 40. So root 36 is 6, and root 49 is 7. So I know that my radius is somewhere between 6 and 7 units. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to plug one equation into the other. I'm going to use substitution because that's one way to solve a system. So I'm going to plug -2x plus 4 in for y into the other equation. So x plus 2 squared plus -2x plus 4 minus 3 squared equals 40. All right, now I have to simplify. Now I have to recognize that this is the square of a binomial, which means when I multiply it, it's going to be a perfect square trinomial. So if you've watched my videos on perfect square trinomials for this test, you really want to know the shortcut. So square the first term, double the inside product, square the last term, plus. Okay, so now this one I'm going to simplify to -2x plus 1, and that's squared. So I'm going to square the first term, which is 4x squared. I'm going to double the inside product, so that's -4x. I'm going to square the last term, and that gives me 40. All right, so now I recognize I have a quadratic equation, so I'm going to have to simplify and solve. So I'm going to get my like terms together. Ooh, look at that. The 4x's simplify to 0. They go to 0. So I get 5x squared plus 5 equals 40. All right, I'm going to subtract 5 and get 5x squared equals 35. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. I'm already seeing my answer is going to be 7. So if I take the square root, I'm going to get plus or minus root 7. But in this case, this is which of the following could be. So it's going to be the positive value, so root 7. All right, so that is one way to approach it. If these were whole numbers, guys, I might approach this a different way and use the answers. But because these all had radicals in them, I knew that I was going to have to work with the quadratic equations, which told me use your algebra. All right, hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.